Yeah.
All right. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, March 4th, and this is day 2 of the Stowe Stats project. We're going to look at just our quick pre-market plan at a glance, and we're going to start with NQ. Guess where we're at? We are right in the middle again. So this is both encouraging and discouraging. I love that we have finally left this previous month lower band, and for the moment, we have left this previous month weekly band. This 820 spot was a super pain yesterday. There were a ton of good shorts to be had off of that at the end of the day. If anybody was around, that this guy pretty much capped everything. Overnight, we sold off down to this -1, and that's where we bounced. So we're into Wednesday in the week, and so we can definitely use this current week balance. So I'm going to be keeping an eye on the top of this range. I don't love that on the 6th day, we're just this is a bullish profile, this slant with this ledge, but man, we're all very tired being in this range. So how I'm going to approach today, if we can get above this we'll call this 920 spot, we could probably zoom in and find a little node there. Yeah, there's going to be a little node there at 900, 915. If we can get above this 915, if we can get above overnight high, if this maintains the overnight high, that is, we can really push up into this 25-100, and then I'll be super curious to see what happens over here. There's a ton of highs that have yet to be challenged. Yeah, previous week value area high, look at that thing. That's a crazy top. So that would be sick to get up there. Yeah, so we are bullish leaning on the previous month and previous week. We're not really using this previous week anymore. Now the monthly and the current week are kind of conflicting. We're neutral on the previous month, and we are kind of failing to get into this top band. So I want to see us get into this band. Overall, I don't hate it. Plan today for NQ, I'm going to size down a little bit, especially if the tape is going to be like it was yesterday. It was very fast. So I'm going to be using probably like 4 max MNQ. All right, let's take a look at ES real fast. ES, not quite the same story. We haven't gotten out of this yet. I mean, this is actually really nice. If I was selling this, this would be a really good example to point to. But yeah, this has really capped us. This is now 2 days in a row and currently serving for kind of the overnight high area here at 651. So I want to see us get out of this and start to move meaningfully towards the point of control, 6,900, 6,902, the level that haunts us all right here. I don't know. We'll see how we open. We have some sort of red folder news at 8:30 a.m., which should be coming up here. Actually, it already happened. Okay, so that's done. And then we have PMI at 10 a.m. Eastern time. So playing with ES, same. I don't know if I should be partying with 2 lots if it's moving that quick. The thing I noticed about my stats yesterday is that win rate was really, really low. And I was hitting 2 profit factor, which is fine. That's not really a sustainable way for me to trade. I really don't like it. Just that weighs on me after a while. So I might need to size down to MES, and we'll talk about that in this next bit. All right, so here's this. Did I meditate today? Not yet. I want to be honest. I haven't had a chance to do it yet. The new workflow is I'm going to let the video render and do my meditation during that, because this takes a while. I don't know if you know about making videos, but it's kind of a pain. Takes a while to render, takes a while to post, takes a while to edit, all those things. Anxiety's good today. So I'm sleeping like garbage. I think I'm getting I got some sinus thing. It's really cold and gray here. So yeah, just not feeling super good. So I've got that going on too. So I want to make sure to be taking it slow, cognizant that I'm a little tired. Outside stressors and obligations for me today. I do have stuff to do in the afternoon. And I'm also streaming today on Ninja Trader Live at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So come hang with me and the boys. We'll all be there partying. It's Wednesday. So that'll be fun. I'm excited to see XY and Nick and chill with them for an hour. Trading account stability is good since we reset it. That's my one mulligan. I'm not taking another one. I've set my daily loss limit server side. So that's set. I set my daily profit limit over there too in the trade of it side. And so should be good to go on all of that. And I got to monitor that MNQ and MES in the window. I'm going to do it. Plan size, 3 to 5 micro MNQ, 1 to 2 mini ES. I'm going to see what ES looks like today. Because if we're gonna keep going up, vol's going to come down. I imagine it's going to thicken up a little bit. The book's going to thicken up. So that's when I want to use 1 and 2 minis, because I can get in and grab 4 points. I don't need 8 points, but if 8 points is the range, I need to come down to 5 to 10 MES, and I hate doing that because it starts to get into commission hell. Daily loss limit $1,000, max profit target $2,000. This is all stuff we talked about, and the give back max is $250. So I kind of explained that in the first video, how I approach the give back thing. So if you want to know, go watch that one. Okay, I think that's everything. Trade safe today. Come hang with me on Ninja Trader Live YouTube, 11 a.m. Eastern Time. It helps me out if they know that you're in there and that you're coming to hang with me. Plus, I like seeing everybody. And we can talk about yesterday. We can talk about anything you want. All right. See you in a bit.